take off my shoes for a few minutes. Get my feet wet.
Hate me, now hate me, now love me. There you go. Ooh. There you go. Ooh. I love the angle of this.
Yes.
Get to unleash the photographer. Get to unleash the photographer in me. And higher up as well. Woo!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Me too. Woo! I love that fucking. I hope you're not scared of spiders.
I'm not scared of it, it's just creepy when they all color the at the same time.
Look at them. Look at them. Hi, WaterFall. Who's hanging out with us today? Oh shit.